Too many people looking.
I know. Just thinking about it.
See the clamshell?
It's one of these things, like, I just didn't know this would be possible. Like,
Yeah.
I would have thought it was like, oh, no, you can't do that. You sold out some light loads, huh? No.
I've had experience with that.
Yeah, that's true. You've done live loads. I need a little HO scale guy to clean that up.
Yeah, this is about what is barely possible physically at this size because it needs weight just to dig into the sand. So I had to add brass weight.
Is it a metal bucket? I didn't notice that there were lights on the cab too.
Oh yeah.
And one on the arm.
Yeah, just like
He's even got the thumb. That's what I'm.
Yeah, I just made a prototype thumb for it so I could grab things.
Yeah.
This is not what I was expecting to see here today. But it's so
build
cool.
one that goes
Thank
on the
you.
rail.
Yeah.
Oh, a high rail one.
Yeah, because that's what we have. We have a
Yeah.